in order to become light. Sometimes we need to look very, very deep, where it looks dark, where the light hasn't been placed upon yet inside of yourself.
You do not become enlightened by denying your darkness. You become enlightened by becoming aware of it, by meeting it, by observing it, without judgment. The shadows within you are not your enemy. They are the parts of you that have not yet been touched by awareness, by attention, by compassion.
Why are there certain words, why are there certain topics that when somebody starts to even mention that word, something inside of you starts to pop up? All of this is, there are processes which are still running our life, whether they are unconscious or somewhere happening in the subconscious. They are not conscious, but they are there. There are patterns, there are cycles, there are repetitive things that keep popping up in your life. And it's the question if you at some point want to break out of the cycle. And this can only be done in the moment where you start to learn and understand what is it to live a life more aware and more based on being conscious about what you do and removing everything from these unconscious layers. Yes, and it's a journey.
Letting in the light means you stop running from yourself. It means you stop wearing masks to hide your discomfort. It means you breathe deeply into the discomfort, into the ache, into the doubt. And as you do, you create space. Space for grace, space for peace, space for the present moment to reveal itself. Stillness is the door through which the light enters. Silence is the key. You don't have to search for it. You simply stop resisting. You stop fighting. You stop trying to fix everything on the outside. You realize that the battle has always been within, and the only weapon that works is awareness. Let's begin with a Qigong routine designed to fix your life. It balances your energy, grounds your emotions, clears your mind, and revitalizes your physical body.
Left foot, ground yourself, right leg up and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left leg again, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, good. Then inhale and exhale. And in and out. In and out. 1 and horse stance. 2 and down.
As you breathe, visualize golden energy flowing in with each inhale and old tension releasing with each exhale.
4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay. And relax, jump. And we return back to using the arms to make high jumps this time. So let's go 10 high jumps. here. 4 times start slow, and then 10 times high jumps. Yeah.
This movement symbolizes drawing energy from heaven and sending it down to earth. It awakens the spine, shoulders, and lungs, improving blood and qi flow. It also balances yin and yang forces in the body.
So, right now the body should be in a decent temperature, and now is a good point to start with a new exercise, or an exercise with a different point of awareness on what you are paying attention on. So let's have a look how this movement looks. Stand about double shoulder wide, and from here. Now look, the right arm is facing to the side, and the right heel is up. Then I return.
Shi Heng Yi encourages using the motion to let go of tension, anxiety, and fatigue. It also massages the internal organs gently, improving their function and keeping the body warm.
So, this movement, what are you practicing it for? Practice in such a way that you are not actively doing too much. Let the body do the proper movements by itself. It's just that you need to pay some attention. That means, for example, if you keep the feet straight and try to turn until here, this is not going to be healthy on the right knee. This is why the right knee, if you relax, if you listen to the body, you can feel that there is that moment when you need to release and open up the tension in order that the tension spreads. So let's go together slowly.
This exercise builds internal strength and stamina. Though static, it creates energetic pressure that strengthens the lower dantian and calms the mind.
Use the complete range of movement. The complete range of movement until your body pulls back by itself. Yeah, when you are to the left side, for example, your fingers stretch them out, then return back left, stretch out, then right, left, right, left, right, and pay attention to the synchronization of upper torso, lower torso, legs and arms. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1.
It holds the power you've generated, so it can nourish your system throughout the day.
5, continue. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.